Are you a high school student feeling unsure about what's next after graduation? Maybe you're juggling school, activities, and everything else life throws your way, and you haven't had time to figure it all out yet. Well, guess what? That's totally okay. At Mitchell Technical College, we make the decision about your future not just easier, but exciting. We offer programs that are very much in demand and also designed to set you up for success to be the best right out of the gate. Whether you're figuring out your next steps or know someone who's still weighing their options, it's time to take a closer look at Mitchell Tech. Here's what makes us different. Our programs combine the best of both worlds, classroom learning and hands-on practical experience. That means when you graduate, you're not just walking away with a diploma, you're walking into a career with real skills and confidence. And with so many program options, there's something here for everyone, no matter your interests or career goals.
People come to me asking, where should I go? What should I do? Really, from what I learned, is you just got to go try stuff. That's the biggest thing. Figure out what you love, what you want to do, and that's all you can do. I had no idea I wanted to be an electrician until I went and tried it, and I fell in love with it.
One of our most exciting career paths? Construction and Manufacturing Technologies. Our Construction and Manufacturing Technologies track is home to 5 distinct programs, each tailored to prepare you for a specialized and rewarding career in the construction industry. Architectural Design and Building Construction, Electrical Construction and Maintenance, Heating and Cooling Technology, Progressive Welding Technology, Machining and Manufacturing. Let's start with Architectural Design and Building Construction. First-year students dive right into learning the basics in our hands-on building lab. This isn't just textbook learning. You'll design and build functional structures with your classmates as part of your fundamental training. From carpentry and woodworking to project management and green building technologies, you'll develop the skills to create the buildings of the future. Our students also master tools like CAD and BIM software, ensuring they're equipped with in-demand, cutting-edge skills when they graduate. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also gain real-world experience in commercial construction. Think welding, steel erection, equipment operation, and more. In your 3rd semester, you'll participate in a commercial construction internship, giving you a head start in the industry. When you graduate, you'll be proficient in computer-aided drafting, OSHA 10 certified, and ready to step into high-demand roles in the construction field.
I'm extremely happy that I made this choice. I really like this school. The admissions person that was working on had told me about the architectural program, and it really interested me, and it seemed like fun. Like, you get to design your own house and you get to build your own house. This seemed like a lot of fun. As you can see behind me, our first years are starting their own house, and I remember last year I had my mom come and she looked at it when it was like this, and then at the end of the year she came back and we had everything put up, all walls, we had siding, windows, doors put in. It's really cool to see everything all come together. And you're like, wow, I did that. I do think I'll be able to make a good living. I'm not worried about that down the road at all. I think the skills and knowledge that I acquire here will definitely help me out down the road. I'm not worried about not having a job or anything like that.
Now let's talk about the Electrical Construction and Maintenance program. Electrical systems really do power our modern world, and at Mitchell Tech, you'll learn everything from new construction wiring to maintenance wiring for buildings. This program is a perfect balance of theory and hands-on application. You'll study motor controls, blueprint reading, programmable logic controls, and even fiber optic and data cabling. By the end of your training, you'll have completed a project where you and your classmates build a fully functional residential house. And here's a bonus. Graduates earn 2,000 hours towards certification as a journeyman electrician in South Dakota. That's a major jumpstart on your career, along with access to apprentice electrical jobs through our network of employers. Next up, Heating and Cooling Technology. Did you know HVAC jobs are projected to see double-digit growth through 2028? This program is perfect for students who want a dynamic career in a growing field. You'll master skills like system installation, environmental controls, and even green technologies like geothermal and solar systems. This program prepares you for a range of roles, including HVAC technicians, environmental technicians, energy auditors, manufacturer reps, and equipment performance testing specialists. Whether you want to work for a company or go the entrepreneurial route, you'll graduate ready to succeed. This program prepares you for a successful career by learning in our hands-on lab, applying these skills by actually installing and servicing heating and cooling systems of all kinds, as well as designing and forming sheet metal patterns. If working with cutting-edge tools and technology excites you, our progressive welding technology and machining and manufacturing programs might be the perfect fit.
I definitely made the right choice by being here. I'm very confident in knowing that there's plenty of job opportunities after college. The thing I like best about Mitchell Tech is I've learned so much already just in the short time I've been here. Like, I've learned so many skills that I don't think I would have learned anywhere else. I'm learning personal skills and like how to communicate better, but I'm also learning my hands-on skills, like my machining skills and my programming skills. I feel like I wouldn't have experienced that anywhere else. Coming from here, I'm gonna know how to do that, which is such a significant talent to have coming out of college, knowing how to already run these machines and already have been running them for 2 years.
In these programs, you'll learn advanced skills like robotic welding, CNC machining, and laser cutting. Our graduates go on to work as welders, machinists, robot programmers, manufacturing technicians, fabricators, and even industrial engineer technicians. And here's something to take note of. Our Progressive Welding Technology program is South Dakota's only ASNT Level 3 degree-based training program. With our state-of-the-art technologies, you'll learn gas metal arc and gas tungsten arc welding of steel and aluminum, robotic welding, metal forming, laser and plasma cutting, as well as X-ray and ultrasound technology. After graduation, you'll be able to expertly use and understand welding symbols, blueprints, and measuring devices, interpret welding code, utilize X-ray, ultrasound, and other non-destructive metaphors to examine welds for quality, operate welding robots, CNC, machining stations, and laser and plasma cutting systems. All of this combined with our expert instructors, you'll leave Mitchell Tech ready to hit the ground running. No matter which program or direction you choose, Mitchell Tech's Construction Technologies track prepares you for a rewarding career. Here's the best part. Mitchell Tech is committed to making your education affordable. Programs like the Build Dakota Scholarship cover the entire cost of tuition, books, fees, and tools. Or take advantage of our Double Edge program, which provides a tuition-free education and a guaranteed job after graduation with one of our partner businesses.
As far as the future goes for our skilled trades, we have nowhere to go but up. These students are gonna have opportunities I wished I had when I was their age, I can tell you that. They're gonna have unbelievable opportunities in manufacturing, whether it's robotics, robotic welding, CNC machining, CAD, CAM. They're gonna get all of those skills to give them that opportunity to succeed.
At Mitchell Technical College, we don't just prepare you for a job, we prepare you for a future filled with possibilities. Our Construction and Manufacturing Technologies programs are just a few examples of the many opportunities waiting for you here. So why wait? Visit our website today or call us to learn more. Let us help you take the first step toward being the best with an exciting and successful career. Your future starts now at Mitchell Technical College.